Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Hackers could access your bank account, steal your identity, or even shut down critical infrastructure. The consequences of such breaches can be devastating, leading to financial loss, reputational damage, and even threats to public safety. It's a high-stakes game where the bad guys seem to have the upper hand. That's where ethical hackers come in. These cybersecurity experts use their knowledge and skills to protect us from cyber threats. They think like hackers but act like guardians, identifying and fixing vulnerabilities before they can be exploited. Ethical hackers are the good guys of the cybersecurity world. They work tirelessly to ensure that our digital lives remain secure. By simulating attacks, they can uncover weaknesses that might otherwise go unnoticed. They use their skills to find and fix vulnerabilities before the bad guys can exploit them. This proactive approach is crucial in staying one step ahead of cyber criminals. Ethical hackers are constantly learning and adapting to new threats, making them an essential part of any cybersecurity strategy. Think of them as digital locksmiths, constantly testing and reinforcing the locks on our digital doors. Just as a locksmith ensures that our physical homes are secure, ethical hackers make sure that our digital environments are protected. Ethical hacking is essential in today's interconnected world. With the rise of the Internet of Things, IoT, and the increasing reliance on digital platforms, the need for robust cybersecurity measures has never been greater. With cyber attacks becoming increasingly sophisticated, businesses and organizations need to be proactive in protecting their systems. This means investing in cybersecurity and employing ethical hackers to identify and mitigate potential threats. Ethical hackers provide that crucial layer of defense. They are the unsung heroes of the digital age, working behind the scenes to keep our information safe and our systems secure. In a world where cyber threats are ever present, their role is more important than ever. The world of cybersecurity is constantly evolving, with new threats emerging all the time. To stay ahead of the curve, ethical hackers are always on the lookout for new tools and techniques. One such tool that's been making waves is ChatGPT, a powerful language model developed by OpenAI. ChatGPT can understand and generate human-like text, making it a versatile tool for a wide range of tasks. But how exactly can ChatGPT help ethical hackers? The answer lies in its ability to automate tasks, analyze data, and generate reports. All essential aspects of ethical hacking. One of the most time-consuming tasks for ethical hackers is vulnerability scanning. This involves using automated tools to probe systems for known weaknesses that could be exploited by attackers. ChatGPT can be used to automate this process by generating code for vulnerability scanners and interpreting the results. This frees up ethical hackers to focus on more complex tasks, such as manually verifying vulnerabilities and developing exploits. Moreover, ChatGPT can adapt and learn from new vulnerabilities, making it a constantly evolving tool in the fight against cybercrime. Ethical hacking often involves sifting through mountains of data, looking for patterns and anomalies that could indicate a security breach. This can be an incredibly time-consuming and tedious task, but it's essential for identifying and mitigating threats. ChatGPT can help by analyzing large datasets and identifying potential security risks. It can also be used to correlate data from different sources, providing a more comprehensive view of the security landscape. This ability to analyze and interpret data makes ChatGPT an invaluable tool for ethical hackers, allowing them to quickly identify and respond to threats. Once an ethical hacker has identified a vulnerability, they need to communicate their findings to the organization's IT team so that the issue can be fixed. This communication is crucial because it ensures that the identified security gaps are addressed promptly, preventing potential breaches or data loss. However, the process of conveying these findings is not always straightforward. This often involves writing detailed technical reports that can be difficult for non-technical personnel to understand. These reports are filled with technical jargon, complex data, and intricate details that can overwhelm those who do not have a background in cybersecurity. As a result, important information might be misunderstood or overlooked, leading to delays in addressing the vulnerabilities. ChatGPT can help bridge this communication gap by generating clear and concise reports that are easy for anyone to understand. By using natural language processing, ChatGPT can translate complex technical findings into straightforward language, making it accessible to all stakeholders. This not only improves comprehension but also speeds up the decision-making process. This ensures that security vulnerabilities are addressed quickly and efficiently. When the IT team can easily understand the issues at hand, they can implement the necessary fixes without delay. This streamlined communication process is vital for maintaining the security and integrity of the organization's systems. By automating the report writing process, ChatGPT saves ethical hackers valuable time and ensures that their findings are communicated effectively. This allows ethical hackers to focus more on identifying and solving security issues rather than spending hours on report writing. Ultimately, this leads to a more secure and efficient working environment, benefiting the entire organization. The use of ChatGPT in ethical hacking is not just a theoretical concept. There are already real-world examples of how this technology is being used to improve cybersecurity. For instance, some security researchers are using ChatGPT to generate phishing emails that are more convincing and difficult to detect. By understanding how phishing emails are structured and worded, ChatGPT can create more realistic lures that can be used to test an organization's security awareness training. While this application highlights the potential for misuse, it also underscores the importance of understanding and mitigating such risks. Section 7. The human element. Why AI won't replace ethical hackers. While ChatGPT is a powerful tool, it's important to remember that it's not a silver bullet. AI can process vast amounts of data quickly and identify patterns that might be missed by the human eye. However, it lacks the nuanced understanding and contextual awareness that a human ethical hacker brings to the table. AI can assist in identifying potential vulnerabilities, but it cannot fully comprehend the complexities of human behavior and intent behind cyber threats. Ethical hacking is a complex field that requires human ingenuity, creativity, and intuition. These qualities are essential for thinking outside the box and coming up with innovative solutions to security challenges. Ethical hackers often need to understand the psychology of attackers, anticipate their moves, and devise strategies to counteract them. This level of strategic thinking and adaptability is something that AI, in its current form, cannot replicate. ChatGPT can automate tasks and analyze data, but it can't replace the critical thinking and problem-solving skills of a human ethical hacker. The ability to interpret data in context, understand the broader implications of a security breach, and develop comprehensive mitigation strategies are all areas where human expertise is irreplaceable. Ethical hackers bring a depth of understanding and a holistic approach to cybersecurity that AI alone cannot achieve. The human element is still essential for understanding the context of a security vulnerability and developing effective mitigation strategies. Ethical hackers can communicate complex technical issues to non-technical stakeholders, ensuring that everyone involved understands the risks and the necessary steps to mitigate them. This ability to bridge the gap between technical and non-technical audiences is crucial for effective cybersecurity management. The future of ethical hacking is not about replacing humans with machines, but about finding ways for humans and machines to work together more effectively. By leveraging the strengths of both AI and human intelligence, we can create a more robust and resilient cybersecurity framework. Ethical hackers and AI can complement each other, with AI handling repetitive tasks and data analysis, while humans focus on strategic thinking, creativity, and decision-making. This collaborative approach will be key to staying ahead of evolving cyber threats. Section 8. Ethical considerations. Using ChatGPT responsibly. Like any powerful tool, ChatGPT can be used for both good and bad purposes. It's important for ethical hackers to use this technology responsibly and ethically. This means using ChatGPT to improve security, not to exploit vulnerabilities or cause harm. It also means being transparent about the use of AI in ethical hacking and ensuring that it's used in a way that respects privacy and security. As AI becomes more powerful, it's more important than ever to establish clear ethical guidelines for its use in cybersecurity. Section 9. The future of ethical hacking, a partnership between humans and AI. The future of ethical hacking is a future where humans and AI work together to create a safer digital world. AI tools like ChatGPT will continue to evolve, becoming even more powerful and versatile. Ethical hackers who embrace these tools will be better equipped to identify and mitigate threats, protecting our data, our privacy, and our critical infrastructure. The key to success lies in finding the right balance between human expertise and AI-powered automation, ensuring that we use these powerful tools responsibly and effectively.